Hi, I'm Anastasia. Let's suppose you decided to do a hard gel extension, so now you're looking for the products. The best solution here might be to buy a kit where they usually have everything you need to get started. But sometimes some important items are missing in these kits. So in this video, I will give you a list of 13 most important products you need to have in your hard gel starter kit. Powerful LED or UV lamp. If you want to learn more about the lamps and how to choose them, I will leave a link to a more detailed video. Also, you will need a sanitizer to spray your hands and your client's hands. Also, cover gel. This is a non-transparent pink or beige gel. I recommend to choose the color that matches the tone of your skin. You can do one-tone nails or pink and white as well, and it will hide all the imperfections of the natural nail plate. Clear or pink gel will help you to do the clear nails, and white if you feel like you want to do pink and white. Dehydrator and primer to prep the nail plate and to get a better adhesion with the natural nail plate and the product. Also, to do extensions you will definitely need forms. You can use paper or plastic forms, or there's another way to do extensions. You can use tips. In this case, I recommend to take clear ABS plastic tips, and to apply them you will also need the special tip glue. To get a high glossy shine you will need a gel top coat, and to apply the gel itself you will definitely need a gel brush. On the left there's the square one, on the right is oval. I prefer oval, and if you're a beginner I recommend to choose size between 5 to 7. You will also need cleanse, which is a liquid to remove sticky layer after gel is cured, to remove the extra dust, and files to get a nice shape. I recommend to take 180 and 150 grit to do the shape and the surface, and 220 grit buffer to make this surface perfectly smooth. Orangewood stick to push back the cuticles and clean the color if it goes on the sides, and a lint-free napkin to remove the sticky layer, extra dust, and just to keep your workspace clean. So this was the list of the 13 essential products for a hot gel starter kit. When I started, honestly, I didn't have sanitizer, I didn't have cleanse and lint-free napkins. I just used alcohol and regular napkins, which was not very comfortable. So from what I know now, I will definitely buy these 13 products first. If you are a newbie, I hope this video was helpful for you. If you are a nail technician, let me know how many products did you have when you only started. If you would like to get more videos just like this one, consider subscribing, as I post new videos, tutorials, tips and tricks every week. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Goodbye.